In this short video, I'm going to show you exactly how to properly test your Shopify checkout using Shopify Payments, step by step, without using real money and payment methods. By the end of this video, you will know how to safely run a full test order, confirm everything works correctly, and turn test mode off the right way. All right, so let's start. Let's not waste time. Now, if you just launched your store or recently started using Shopify Payments, this video can help you a lot by making sure that you can actually receive money from real buyers, and that everything is working properly. Unfortunately, I've seen a lot of sellers discover checkout issues only after they've already spent money on traffic and paid ads and so on. It's a nightmare. So here are the exact steps that you need to take to properly test your Shopify payment checkout. All right. So before you send any traffic to your store, you have to do this. The most important step is enabling Shopify Payments test mode. All right. So inside your Shopify admin, you go to settings and then you go to payments. And then in the search bar, you have to write Shopify Payments test mode like that. All right. And then you turn test mode on and save. Like this, all right? And then the test mode allows you to simulate real transactions without charging a real card, all right? Nothing is sent to your bank account, but the entire checkout process works exactly like a real order, all right? Now it's the time to act like a real customer, right? So you just go to your storefront and then you choose any product, okay? And then you just add it to the cart like this, okay? And then you proceed to checkout, just like a normal buyer would, correct? And then you fill in the email, all right, the shipping address, and all the required details. Now, here's a quick tip. Do not rush this step, all right? Go through checkout normally so you can catch issues with shipping rates, taxes, and so on, right? This is the moment to do this. This is the best place to spot problems before real customers do. Okay, so keep that in mind. Everything's filled up. So now it's time to complete the payment using a test card. Now, this is the fun part here because Shopify provides a demo debit and credit card numbers that work only in test modes, all right? So you don't have to use real cards. So basically you have to use one of the test cards options listed in Shopify's official help article, and this is the page here and the link is in the description, okay? And then you can basically just copy that link, paste, and then the details, right? And then you do have to enter the test card number, all right? Any future expiration date and any 3-digit CVV, all right? And then you just click here, pay now, and then you will be referred to the thank you page or see a page with order confirmation. All right, so if this video helped you so far, a like and subscribe really helps me keeping creating clear, no fluffy Shopify tutorials like this one, okay? Now let's just make sure that everything actually worked. So how do you do that? All right, we go back here to your Shopify admin and then you open orders like this. And then you should see a new order marked as a test order, okay? So click into it and then you have to verify the correct product was ordered, customer details appear properly, and then if everything looks good, your checkout, payment flow, and order creation are just working end to end, boom, you have it. All right. Now there's one more thing. This is, the step that many people actually forget. So you do have to go back to settings and search for Shopify Payments test order. And then you have to disable test mode, right? And then save your changes. I've seen people forget about this, okay? Anyway, because if you forget this step, real customers won't be able to pay. And so, always turn test mode off before launching ads or sending traffic and so on. It's crazy, but it happens, okay? All right, so let's have a quick recap. And here is the steps that you need to follow when testing your Shopify Payments checkout. All right, you have to enable Shopify Payments test mode, and then you have to run a full checkout using a demo card, and then you have to confirm that the test order appears correctly, and then you just have to turn the test mode off. And that's how you properly test your Shopify checkout, all right, safely and professionally. And if you want more Shopify setup and troubleshooting videos like this one, just make sure to subscribe, comment to any of my videos, and I'll get back to you. Okay? okay? Also, one thing, if you want to improve your product research and validation process, you can start using Zik Analytics today, all right? Thank you so much for watching. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.